Oh, later mo na kainin yan. Later na. Oh. Drive ka na doon sa car mo. Dali na. Yung little car na lang muna. Wag na yung big car.
It was hard, you know. Very good at the enemy of crazy things. My name is Sam YG. My name is Slick Rick. And my name is...
Show your tongue, baby. Hi! Good morning! Good morning, baby! Paano na hair mo ngayon? Ayusin natin. Ayan. Ito ang bangs mo. Eh, ako na mag-video. At yan ang kanyang gustong mo palabas. MTV. Ayaw siya, wag yung table. Ay, wag, ako na kukuha ng ball. Dali na. Ayun, bolo. Tingnan mo, ayun, yung bolo sa NBA. Ayun, yung bolo. Asan? O, dance ka muna. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my ay, naku na. Upo na. Nari-dirty dyan. Dali, stand up na. Ay, sa akin yan. Chinelas ko yan. It's not yours. Ay, hindi ko ibigay yan. Hindi. Stand up dyan. Dali, stand up. Ay, nako. Hindi ko nabibigay yung ball mo.
Come on, you're Superman. You can't be a menace to society Friday and then find Nemo. And then you can't tell me. This guy said to me in a meeting, fish are your friend. Are you kidding me? Just lay out. Put some bass in your voice. It's a great movie. Superman.
Ang bait behave
It's a great movie by Ice Cube and Chris Tucker. Dwight Howard got choked up describing Finding Nemo.
Opo, yung ball, na-shoot na, no? Na-shoot yung ball? Wala na. Flying kiss ka na lang sa ball. Peekaboo! Kaboo! Peekaboo! No, dirty yan, dirty. Give it to mommy, please. Ay, no! Ala! Sinira mo na. Lagot. Ay, yung ball, na-shoot natin yung ball. Asan na yung ball? Ay, no.
And we'll have a timeout. Two tough losses for the Orlando Magic in LA. A blowout.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3. If you have a problem.
76% from the field.
A, B. A, B. Kanta na tayo. A, B. Oops. Ayesha, wag dyan yung kitten. Kitten! Naku, andyan yung kitten. Dalihan mo.
Back in Orlando, game 3 of the finals. Magic desperate for a win. Right now they trail by 2 with 7:43 remaining in the first half. Time for tonight's edition of Gatorade Cooler Talk. And what are the Magic doing differently? Getting stops and pushing the basketball. Rick Austin does a good job of getting down the floor. No help. Looks to get into the seams. Draws the defense. 3 defenders. Get rid of the basketball. Excellent job of extra pass. Beverly's not settling. The one.
Ay, siya dirty dyan. Ako.
Jump in the boot. Loosen up the tie. Guess what, everybody? Superman.